Best Leatherworking Tool Kit Review. In this video, we will share with you one of the most popular leatherworking sets in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval, and we'll share with you some of the features of what makes this toolkit so popular. Also, in this video, you get to see a quick demo clip of some of these tools being used and how handy they can be for your own leatherworking too. The one that made our list is the STEEL 52-piece leather kit. This kit comes with 20 beautiful leather stamps for you to create your own masterpiece. It comes with a stainless steel swivel knife with adjustable handle length for deep dynamic carving. The leather edge stitching tool helps you groove the edges of your leather. And the kit comes with tools that allow you to sew and repair canvas leather, shoes and soles. To check out the full specs of the STEEL 52-piece leather kit and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/leathertoolkit. Here's a quick video of some of these tools being used. So there you have it, the STEEL 52-piece leather kit. Considering how comprehensive this set is, the versatility of the tools, and the quality of the equipment, we feel that this set is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of the STEEL 52-piece leather kit and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/leathertoolkit. Alright, thank you for watching.